Today, we're seeing a new leak of Google Pixel hardware, featuring the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, and 9 Pro XL. These images come from Rosec, and it's surprising because they're out 5 months before Google usually launches new phones in October. It's a bit puzzling how these devices are out so early, but here they are. Many of you are probably excited about the regular Pixel 9 Pro, which is supposed to have an excellent camera but be more compact. On the other hand, the Pixel 9 Pro XL seems taller than Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max. Earlier this year, some photos leaked online showing what looked like Google's upcoming Pixel 9 Pro. These photos gave us a good look at the flagship phone, including its new pill-shaped rear camera setup. The leaked images showed off the phone's rounded edges, sleek design, and where the buttons are placed. Now, the same source that first showed us the Pixel 9 Pro has shared more live images that might be of the entire Pixel 9 series. An unnamed source has revealed that the Russian website Rosec has shown live images of what seems to be the full lineup of the Pixel 9 series. This lineup includes 3 devices, the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, and 9 Pro XL. Along with the images, the site also shared some specifications and code names that were previously unknown. For example, the Pixel 9 is codenamed Tokay and will have a 6.24-inch display and 12 GB of RAM. On the other hand, the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL are codenamed Cayman and Komodo, and they will feature 6.34-inch and 6.73-inch displays, respectively, with 16 GB of RAM each. The Pixel 9's display size is almost the same as the Pixel 8's. However, the Pixel 9 Pro has gotten smaller, going from 6.7 inches to 6.34 inches compared to its previous version. The introduction of an XL model might explain why the Pixel 9 Pro's display size has shrunk. This is similar to Apple's strategy with the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro, where they offer larger 15 Plus and 15 Pro Max versions for those who want more screen space. It's interesting to note that although the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro will be similar in size, the Pixel 9 will have slightly wider bezels than the Pro version. All devices in the Pixel 9 series are expected to run on Google's Tensor G4 chipset and feature 120Hz AMOLED screens. Google has kept a consistent rear design for its Pixel lineup since the Pixel 6. However, the upcoming series will bring a fresh look with a pill-shaped rear camera bar. This bar might be the only part on the phone's exterior that isn't mirror-polished metal. Leaks suggest that the Pixel 9 will have a dual rear camera setup, following the Pixel 8's lead. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL will feature a triple camera system. Both devices are expected to have 3 50-megapixel cameras each. While specific details for the Pixel 9 are still unknown, leaked images also show that only the Pro models will have a matte back with glossy frames. The regular Pixel 9 will change things up with a glossy back and matte frames. Additionally, in the upcoming series, the photos show more rounded corners, similar to the iPhone 15 series rather than the Pixel 8 series. It's worth noting that Rosec didn't give any details about the rumored Pixel 9 Fold, except that it exists and Google is working on it. It's likely to be launched separately from the rest of the Pixel 9 lineup. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.